Today, we are demonstrating the AI Job Performance Review feature for posting a job. This feature helps users create high-quality job postings by allowing AI to review and provide feedback before the job is published. First, navigate to the Jobs page and select Jobs. Then click Proceed. After clicking Proceed, you will be taken to the page where you can create your job posting. On this page, you can choose the Generate with AI option. For this example, we will use the following details: job title, cybersecurity analyst experience level, medium, mid-level. Once the details are selected, click Generate and allow a few moments for the AI to process the request. After loading, the AI automatically generates the job information. You will see the job title and description populated. One of the key features here is the AI review suggestions. When you hover over the job description, the AI provides feedback on how the description can be improved. For example, one suggestion states that requiring a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field may unnecessarily narrow the candidate pool. The AI recommends allowing equivalent experience or relevant certifications as alternatives to a formal degree. Next, we select the job location, which in this case will be United States. Instead of selecting a specific state, we will set the role as remote. We will also define the job as employment type, full-time experience level. Next are the required skills. When we move to the salary section, the AI provides market insights. When hovering over the monthly rate, the system displays an estimated salary range. For a cybersecurity analyst with this experience level in the United States, the typical monthly pay ranges between $6,000 and $9,000. If you hover over the yearly rate, the system also shows the equivalent annual salary, which ranges between $75,000 and $110,000 per year. These figures are rough market estimates intended to guide employers in setting competitive salaries. For this example, we will continue using the monthly salary option. Next, under Perks, we will select 401k and then proceed to the next page. For demonstration purposes, we will skip the remaining optional sections and attempt to create the job. At this point, the system performs an AI job performance review. Initially, the system indicates that salary was not specifically defined, which may affect candidate interest. Since we previously selected a salary range, the AI recommends specifying a fixed salary to avoid unclear expectations. To fix this issue, we return to the salary section and define a fixed salary of $7,500 per month. After updating the salary and attempting to create the job again, the system performs another review. This time, the job score improves. The AI confirms that $7,500 per month falls within the market range for cybersecurity analysts in the United States. It also notes that the role expectations and responsibilities are clearly defined and aligned with the selected experience level. There are still additional improvements that could be made, such as selecting a specific state within the United States. But for this demonstration, we will proceed with publishing the job. If the job score were lower, the system would provide recommendations and allow you to fix those issues before publishing. Finally, we click Publish, and the job is automatically posted. A confirmation message appears indicating that the job has been successfully published. At any time after publishing, you can still return to edit the job, just as before. The AI review suggestions will continue to be available to help you improve the quality of the job posting. That concludes the demonstration. Thank you.
Visit Loubby AI to get started.